Hi friends, welcome to Yuvaguru English Theory Lectures. We have theory and practical, two types of video lectures. In theory, we cover the concepts and in practical, we cover the examples. Both the theory and practical together are useful for CBSE, ICSE, various state boards across India and outside India as well. Anyone who wants to understand English better needs to download this Yuvaguru English app. Now let's focus on today's topic. Today's topic is the interjection. This is a smaller video because interjection itself is a smaller topic. So what are interjections? Before going to that, let's examine few sentences. Hello, what are you doing here? This hello has a exclamation mark. Alas, he is dead. Alas, exclamation. Hurrah, we have won the game. Ah, have they gone? Oh, I got such a fright. Hush, don't make the noise or don't make a noise. All these words, such words hello, alas, hurrah, ah, etc. are called as interjections. Remember, there is an exclamation mark after every this interjection word. So what is the definition of interjection now? An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotion. Sudden, right? That's important. So interjections may express these following feelings: joy, hurrah, huzzah. There can be many as such. Means as and when, as the languages, as the local languages of any country, any state, any region. So the words can change. But important is sudden feeling. Grief, alas. Then surprise, ha, what. Approval, bravo. Don't we say when we surprise, what has this happened? In grief, alas, this shouldn't have happened. Then joy, we say, hurrah, we have won the game again. Approval, we say, bravo, you have done it again. Now these interjection words are not always single. There can be groups also. Means certain groups of words are also used to express some sudden feeling or emotion, like ah me, for shame, well done, good gracious. We also say oh God. So that is also a group of words. So let's have a quick test because interjection theory is this much only. An interjection is a part of speech that directly expresses what? Opinion or idea or a feeling or emotion. What? Feeling or emotion, right? And sudden, basically. Sudden should be the word over here. Most interjections are short words or short phrases or statements. Phrases. Which list contains one word interjection? Hey, oh, ouch, when, now, really, sure. Which list contains one word interjection? Hey, oh, ouch, when, now, really, sure. So which one? This first one. Why? Because all have exclamation marks. Here question marks. Question marks are not there for interjections. Which list contains two word interjections? Stop it, let's go, come here, my God, oh no, bloody hell. Let's go can't be an exclamation, right? Come here can't be an exclamation. It is just put it deliberately to confuse you. These are the exclamation marks and interjection. My God, oh no, bloody hell. So this is the correct one. Interjections often stand alone. They are often part of a sentence or not part of a sentence. Not part of a sentence. Means if I say oh God, why did I go there? So even if I don't say oh God, then also why did I go there is a sentence, right? So interjections are not a part of a sentence. Which interjection would you use if you felt a sudden pain? Ouch, ouch, right? This one. True or false? Interjections are often used by novelists when writing a spoken language. Means those who write the novels. They generally use it. Yes, true. Which interjection can mean that the speaker is thinking of what to say next? This we generally see when we see someone speaking. See here, as now I am speaking. When we see means what? This well means we are thinking what to say next. So the speaker is thinking. So well this. If someone shouts wow, They are probably feeling shock or anger, surprise or excitement. Excitement definitely, right? So ninth one is second. In written English, which is used often after the interjection, means exclamation or question mark. Obviously exclamation, right? This exclamation mark. Question mark is not used. Question mark is used after what? Tell me. Interrogation, right? So that was about interjection. Kindly download Yuvaguru English app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. These video lectures contain theory and practical, two types of video lectures. In theory we cover the concepts, and in practical we cover the examples. Both the theory and practical together are useful for CBSE, ICSE, various state boards across India and outside India as well. Anyone who wants to understand English better needs to download this Yuvaguru English app. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.